In half an hour we are approaching to Cape Cod Canal. 18 to 22 knots wind. So nice weather condition today. Sailing. Drew, say hi. Perfect. We just passed Cape Cod Canal. Slowly sailing, 15 knots of wind, but beautiful sunset. Like the Polish sailor says, red on the sky, weather will be fucked tomorrow. But for now it's beautiful. Second day of our delivery south, doing 8 hours with 20 wind force, wind gusts. Nice weather today. A little bit too more wind, too much more. Second trip on the main, second trip on the Genoa, the Jeep, and yeah, we are sailing. It's getting really rough. You can see 26, 27 sometimes in gusts. Doing 9 knots. So yeah. Ton of wind right now. 24, 26 in the gusts. Doing 8.5, almost 8, 9 knots, 9 knots. Shit. Good that we are very close to the land. There's no waves, but getting day, half a night. So hope we're gonna make a good progress today. We just started third day of sailing. Sunset in a few. Today is really nice weather. Approaching to New York in like 3 hours, 4 hours. 21 knots of wind. Main on first reef, but full Jeep, flat sea. This is what tigers like the most. 9 knots, speed over ground. It's perfect. It's a little bit cold. It's freezing cold actually. It's like maybe 6 degrees Celsius, but it's nice. Okay, next day morning, approaching to New York. Nice weather. Crew is relaxing in the sun. Wind calmed down finally, so we good. All right. in New York, LaGuardia Airport. Nice motor yacht. Jumper. Yeah, weather is perfect. Little bit cold, but yeah, we are from northern Poland, so it's not so bad for us.